Hey everybody, welcome back to our Sea World, and today I'm going to be doing the review on the Power Up Dart. Now here he is. This is the Power Up Dart 3.0, and the new 3.0 has got a little bit of a longer carbon fiber rod that goes down the middle. So when I designed this body for it, I had to make a smaller version of the body. And but this thing flies pretty good. I just had to disassemble the thing, so I'm pretty sure it's back to normal now. Your battery's in there and everything. You charge it via Android cord, or any Android cord that puts out DC 5 volts. The battery is a LiPo 3.7 volt 7500, or no, not 7500, it's just 75 mAh. It actually turns, and you buy the Power Up Dart app, and that's how you fly it. So I'm gonna get to flying this thing, do a couple laps around here, and show you how he flies. And little flying tip: always have ailerons that are sticking up a little bit, and it also depends on how your plane works. I kind of designed this plane for it off of the actual Power Up Dart plane. But alright, let me get this on, let me get to flying, and I will be right with you in a couple seconds. Here we go, guys. Well, that's it. It's very difficult to fly, but you have to get the right body, and as you can see, I'm kind of smashed up here, so it's hit the tree a couple times. But he's so light that he's alright. Sorry, starting to move, but yeah, he can take a hit. It's so light, kind of just like gently hits things, you know, if it gently like smack, you know, which is a good thing. But I recommend flying him if you want to learn how to fly. He's pretty good. I'll show you some other little tutorial videos later. And that'll be all for today, and so thanks guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.